Ciao, handheld enthusiasts, and welcome! Today we are looking at PS1 emulation on the 3DS. What? It even exists? Yes, it does. And is it any good? That's what we are trying to find out in this video. So, let's get cracking! First, quickly to the installation process. All you need to do to play PS1 on hacked, preferably new 3DS or 2DS, is to download and extract zip file, transfer two CIAs and RetroArch files onto root of your microSD card. Don't forget to put there also ROMs so you can play something. Then install one CIA that will enable audio, and second is RetroArch CIA. And that's pretty much it. I'll include link for useful video down below. And now all is left to do is to test some cool PS1 games. Yeah, that's what I thought, but then I loaded first game and boom, black screen, hard reset. So I did a bit of digging and found out best compatibility is with .pbp ROMs. If you have .bin or .emg, it might work, but you might also get black screen and do hard reset. If anybody has better information, please share it down below. For me, all PBP ROMs worked fine, whereas with .bins is like 1 out of 10. That means 9 hard resets, which is what you don't want. Okay, let's get into emulation, shall we? Now I will do some showcase with minimal talking, and at the end we'll do final conclusion. Is it worth playing PS1 on a 3DS? All these games are played with no tweaks, default out of box, well, out of zip settings. Also guys, if you are enjoying these videos, like and subscribe, because there is certainly more to come. Crash Bandicoot 3, Crash Bandicoot 2, Castlevania Symphony of the Night,
Die, monster!
Colin McRae Rally 2, Crash Team Racing, Doom, Grand Theft Auto 2, Medievil 2, Parappa the Rapper,
Here we go now, kick punch block. Kick punch. Short kick block. Kick block. Block, time kick it. Block, kick.
Rayman, Resident Evil 1, Tony Hawk Pro Skater 1, Warcraft 2, Dino Crisis 1, Disney's Tarzan, Metal Gear Solid, Need for Speed 3 Hot Pursuit, Spyro the Dragon, Tekken 3, Contra Adventure, Twisted Metal 4, So, final conclusion, what is the emulation like? Out of these 21 games, I would consider only one on the edge of playability. Need for Speed 3. I'm not sure what was going on, it was running fine, but then if frame rate dropped, audio slowed down, then it was back to normal speed, not sure what it was all about. Have anybody tried it? What was your performance like? Then I have noticed Crash Team Racing had some frame drops here and there, but it was playable, and the audio was also absolutely fine. All the other games was running fine too. Here and there might have been some frame drops, but without frame counter I wouldn't be able to notice, so overall, absolutely enjoyable experience. Also, what I really liked was that the bottom screen was used in this way. You just need to tap it and then you can save or load straight away or resume play. Very useful indeed. Then I also noticed 3DS has pretty solid D-pad. I haven't been playing with this D-pad for a while and it's extremely good. I would say it's even better than Miyoo Mini Plus D-pad, at least for me. Nintendo surely knows their craft. However, it is positioned on a very weird place. It is very low for me. When I was using it, I couldn't properly press the left trigger, so I had to either shift my grip or rather use joystick. So I'd rather use joystick. I know many people don't like it, but personally I'm a fan of it. I'm very used to the PSP sliding disc, and this is larger with a rubber surface, so it's at least as good as that, if not better. So, in the end, is the PS1 on the 3DS worth it? Absolutely, I'm loving it, even with the occasional need to remap some buttons, even with the frame drops, and even with the ISO compatibility issues, it's still way better than I expected. And if you have any of the new models, you should definitely try it out too. You won't be disappointed. Son of a Handheld recommends. Like, subscribe, thanks to you for watching. Till next time, peace out.